Simon, we're here at Freddy Products this morning. You're the undisputed market leader of industrial vacuums, but today it's something slightly different, is it? What have we got?
Okay, we have another exclusive for you today. We have made a Bowser for taking fluids around the workshop. We have a 200 litre product in both air and electric, and there are quite a few features that we can point out for you.
Yeah, go on then, talk us through the features.
Okay, in learning in making this and comparing to other machines on the market, we've taken that and seen how we could make it better. So the first thing that was obvious is moving one of these around, you get quite a lot of shunt with the liquid moving in, so it's baffled. We noticed that they don't always roll easily, so we've got some casters. They're a bit over the top, a bit over engineered. They're 250 kilos rated per corner, but we've put those on. We've utilised a Samoa air pump for the air product, great company to deal with. And we've got a sight gauge, because I've noticed that a lot of them you can't tell what you've got inside it, but this is nice and easy. It doubles up sight gauge, but also a means easily to clean it out and empty.
And why was it brought to market?
It was brought to market because of Houghton. We have a great relationship with them, and Rob Davey was the person that instigated it.
So Rob, why did you feel the need to bring this to market?
Well, a couple of reasons really, Joe. Over the years, across our 50 or so fluid care accounts, we've had several issues with manual handling. So where our customers haven't got full distribution systems in place, we historically have always manoeuvred barrels or sort of inadequate Bowsers across the shop floor. Somebody of my stature, you know, we'd be taken with the movement of the actual Bowser. So we thought, right, you know, we need to resolve this issue. So we came to Freddy, spoke with Simon, gave him a brief. He came up with some ideas. We had some input into that unit.
So is there a contamination issue as well? Because obviously engineers, they may be using a Freddy for doing this, but that's got clean and dirty solid linen. Yeah,
the purpose of this Bowser is purely for fresh coolant. So rather than cross-contamination from using the same Bowser or Freddy unit to remove and refill your sumps, the purpose of this Bowser is literally for fresh coolant, so you can go along and you're knowing that, you know, what you're putting in is suitable for use.
And there's less technology in a Bowser as well, so it's obviously a lot more price competitive as well.
Yeah, sure. Very simple. You know, the technicians, they don't want to be messing around with various power supplies or pumps, and it's just literally couple it up, obviously use the correct nozzle, and off you go. So
do you think this would be a good seller for Freddy Products?
Yeah, hopefully. For us as Houghton, you know, we've got very strong relationships with our customers where we need to show some health and safety improvements, and with our technicians personally, you know, they see real advantage in using this product.
So how are companies transporting coolant at the moment?
The larger companies generally have some kind of distribution, so pipe work, centralized systems, etc. The smaller, medium-sized businesses, they will have a Freddy, and like I said, there's lots of cross-contamination potential issues. There are other Bowsers available in the marketplace, but I think for us, this is a real advantage over those.
So at Houghton, you're not just looking to sell fluid?
No, we haven't for many years. We've offered fluid care, but now we're going to market with this Fluids Intelligent Solutions approach, which encompasses fluid care, fluid service, fluid trend, so, you know, and equipment. So we offer a real solution to the package to the customer.
We've got two models here. Is this the entire range?
No, we've found that we can actually expand these. So it could be 300, 400. In theory, if somebody had a need for something really big, it could be motorized just like our larger Freddys. There are options with hose reels from Samoa, retractable, and also with the guns you can have a digital metering gun if it's really important to know what you are dispensing into the sump.
So not just industrial vacuums from Freddy?
No, we've got a lot of new exclusives for you this year to come and film, and we see this Bowser as a great addition to our range.